Hello. Right, now we've got a query question, 7 marks. Open 5.5 query in design view, so let's do that to start with. Okay, so we've got, have a look at this, we can see what's going on here. Right, now it says display only female students, so we need to go to the gender field, which is where female was. And as we looked at the design view, we could see at the, datasheet view, we could see that we needed to write female, and just go back and check, make sure that works. Does work, we've only got the females. Now, modify the reaction field to the query to become a calculated field called code letter. Right, so the first thing we need to do here is make sure that we have this as a field. So we're going to put a thing around it. Now, I've not seen this function used before in an exam question, but it is something we use in Excel, and I would assume that most people, when they come across this, hadn't seen it before. But if we were going to do this question in Excel, let's have a look at how it would work. So the calculated field should display only the first character of the reaction field. So if we were to do that in Excel, we would use the function left. So let's try and do the same thing here, left. Then we need to put a bracket in. Now if we remember our left function, I'm just going to make this a little bit longer so we can see. The left function, we have the text that we're looking at, which in this case is the field reaction, and then we have the number of characters that we want, which in this case is 1, and then we're going to close it. Now let's have a look and see if that works. Okay, it hasn't given me an error message, so that's a good sign, and also it's changed the L into a capital L, which is nice. So now we need to make sure that we calculate a field called code letter. So this expression 1 here we need to change, and we need to write exactly what it says on the paper, and I'm going to put capitals in the right place as well, just to make sure. So we display only the female tourist, we've got that. Modify the reaction field to the query to become a calculated field, we've done. Display only the first character, we've got. Right, now display only the name and surname fields and the calculated field code letter. So we don't need gender, so we're not going to take that out, we've checked that already. So we've got the 3 fields that we need, so let's go and have a look. There we go, we've got the code letters done. So that's a very challenging question, but I think one that is not impossible to answer.